belly button.
Yeah, where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Boo. Where's your belly button? Can you show us your belly button? Where's your belly button?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How about your teeth? Do you know where your teeth are? Do you know where your nose is? Uh-huh. What do you do when you touch your nose? Do you honk?
If I touch your nose, what do you do?
Um.
Honk honk.
Please?
Please.